Hey guys, it's Ian and welcome back to a brand new video. So today I'm going to show you how to fix your Xbox One reading sensor disc thingy if it's not working at all, even though you clean the disc or like with soap and water or with a soft cloth, but it's still not detecting that there's a disc even though you insert it into the reading detector inside the Xbox. So yeah, here we go. So what you want to do is go to settings, go to power and startup, and go to power mode and startup. Then if you want instant on, go on energy saving, so it will instantly detect the reading detector that there's actually in this inside the Xbox, and just send you to the game. So yeah, and if you have your disc in there like I do right now, but it's not working for me, what you want to do is go to your Xbox, take off the disc. Oops, sorry if it's so zoomy. Then once you get your disc out, you want to do like this, because inside, like in right here, there's a ID in there, like those rainbow IDs in there, so it'll detect that there's an Xbox there. I mean, not an Xbox. That was so stupid what I said. It means there will be a game disc inside the Xbox. So inside this Xbox. So once you're done with that, hold this for 10 seconds. Alright, it's been 10 seconds, then wait for 5 seconds for it to instantly power off, even though it turned off on my screen, and claim for the Xbox. Then once you turn it on, wait for the startup. That takes so dang long to finish. God, I just don't like how loud it is. Oh Lord, help me. Yeah, if your intro like comes back again with that noise, like once you've done that, but like the intro like starts up then comes back again, that means it's verifying that it's on energy saving mode. Now I have to wait for another 30 seconds. Yay. Also, y'all, if you want to friend me, my name is Ian Champ. Only with the capital I, not an L, even though people think that my name's Lamp, but it's not. But I know, guys, sorry if you think that my name's Lamp, like, even though it's not. I'm not trying to be mean, like, I'm not trying to say that y'all stupid, but even though y'all didn't know, so I can't call anyone stupid if they actually didn't know, so, yeah. So once it started up, what you want to do, just get your disc, hold it like this, put your finger inside that hole, no homo, and what you want to do is put this inside the reading disc detector, and just wait for this thing to power, to detect that there's a freaking disc inside the Xbox. I had this from many times. And yeah, now it works. So make sure to like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and if y'all want faster internet speeds, like really fast internet speeds, to increase your download speed and your upload speed right now, and get in that type as well, do it right now. So click right now, internet right here, NAT type right here. Just do it right now, easy as that. So yeah, make sure to like, subscribe, do all that. See you guys, and have a good day. Peace out.